Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a certified health coach and fitness trainer. I love to help women look great and feel great through fasting and exercise. In today's video, I am going to share my Copycat Prolon L-Bar Choco Crisp recipe. I've made already a few Prolon Copycat recipes, and these have become some of my most popular videos. So I thought I would make more of those. Besides, many of you have asked for some specific recipes, one of them being that Choco Crisp recipe. The way I create these recipes is I look at the nutrition facts from the Prolon website, and then I take note of all the ingredients. I go into my fitness pal and I play around with the ingredients until I can get to the right calorie number and the macros to be as close as possible. And it's not always easy because, as I mentioned before, nutritional facts on labels can be off by as much as 20%. So I try to make it pretty accurate, but obviously it's not an exact science. I'm not going to elaborate any longer about the details. Let's just get to the recipe. If you want to see all the nutrition facts for not only the original Prolon recipe, but my Copycat recipe, and also read the recipe as opposed to just following the video, you can check in the description. I'll leave the link to the blog post. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to warm up the brown rice syrup, the cocoa powder, and the almond butter. Here I have 1/3 cup of brown rice syrup. Then you're going to add 4 tablespoons of almond butter and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I just warmed it up enough to get a nice smooth mixture. Now I'm going to add the flaxseed oil. I actually couldn't get any flaxseed oil, so instead I got hemp oil. Next, you need some grape juice. I actually got both red and white grape juice. I wasn't sure which one I was going to use. It doesn't really matter that much, even if you're going to use red. I was thinking red would give it a reddish color, but I mean, it's fairly dark with all the chocolate. You need 1/4 cup. Now you're going to add 1 cup of INULIN. I bought this online. One cup of crispy brown rice cereal. Then you need 3/4 cups of rolled oats. And lastly, we're going to chop some almonds and chocolate chips. I actually wrote mini chocolate chips in my recipe. I didn't have any, so I'm using these chunks and I'm going to chop them finely. You need 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. And now the almonds, same thing. Again, I'm using 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds. Okay, so 1, 2, this will make 20 bars. I'm telling you, these bars are going to be pretty small. I'm going to use 2 bread loaf pans lined with parchment paper and spread the mixture between the 2 pans. We're going to refrigerate the pans with the mixture inside for a little bit to see if we can get this to harden, and then we're going to slice our bars. We'll have 10 bars per pan. Okay, so I actually ended up putting my pans in the freezer because it's faster. That's what you get in one of them. And now we need to slice that into 10 bars. So we're going to take this out. These are actually pretty sticky, you'll find. So most likely you'll have to keep them in the fridge or in the freezer. So I'm gonna do 5 this way. 1, 2, 1 slice in the middle. So that will be one of your bars, just like that. That's all for today, my friends. I hope you found this video useful, and let me know how it goes if you try the recipe. Also, I do have some other Prolon Copycat recipes coming up, but if there's any specific recipe that you want me to make, just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I don't want you to miss out, and thank you for watching.